So let's say you want to go ahead and create a form from scratch. So to do that, you can go around onto the create section right here, click, and then you can see that you have various creation options right here. So what we want to go ahead and create right now is a form. So I'm just going to go ahead and click form. So here you can see that there are different sort of forms right here, like there's import form, and there's e-sign forms, smart PDF forms, and so forth. So you can use templates as well if you want to. But we want to create one from scratch, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on start from scratch. So you got a card form right here. That means only one question will be shown per page if you were to choose this. But what we want to create is a classic form right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on classic form. So once you do that, what happens is that you get a form right here just like this. And over here on the left hand side, you can see that add element is an option. You can click, and here there are different elements, like there's basic elements, there's payment method elements right here, and there's widgets that you can bring in as well. Let's just start with the basics right here. Let's say, for example, and you can simply go ahead and click and drag these elements right here as necessary, and they'll simply be added to the form. You can even go ahead and click and drag the submit button up and down, click and drag to arrange out the form elements right here, just like this, and even go ahead and remove it, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can simply go ahead and start creating a new form in Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.